Alright guys, I heard you guys wanted some rare account, but I don't know if it's rare, but it says Corbox Exploiter. And this one actually has a very simple password. The password, I'm gonna have to verify you guys. It's because, sometimes, somebody steals the account and other people that comment down are actually verifying and they're disappointed in somebody taking the account. So, if you guys want the account, you're gonna have to comment down below. And the first person to comment is who gets the account. Well, this is a username. And yeah, first person to comment gets this account. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Oh yeah, and they have to be subscribed. Thanks. Because what's the point of giving an account to somebody that's not subscribed? But yeah, thanks for watching. Thanks for 40 subscribers. 40 subscribers in the third day is insane. But yeah, like this video, share this to your friends for more accounts. There's about 10 more accounts coming up soon. But thanks for watching.